What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is finally this video that I've been meaning to do for so long. It is Preston's room tour. Yay! So a little bit about his room before we get into this tour. Preston is 2 years old. His favorite thing in the world is Sesame Street. Like, Sesame Street is his favorite thing. So for Christmas last year, I bought him a bunch of Sesame Street stuff, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to redo his room because he's not really an infant anymore. His infant room was more like a jungle theme type of thing, so I had to switch it over to Sesame Street. And when he first saw his room, he freaked out. He was so happy. Literally, he is the biggest Sesame Street freak I've ever seen in my life. I think that I was that way with Barney when I was a baby. I think we all have somebody who we were like really obsessed with, and Sesame Street is his thing. Literally, he wants to watch Sesame Street on the iPad, on the tablet, on my phone, on the TV, on the laptop. Like, literally, he wants Sesame Street playing on every device in the house at the same time. It is ridiculous. So yeah, so we can get started on this room tour. So when you come up to Preston's door, we have this little P that has like a nice little crown on it. It spells out his name in the stickers, and it has this cute little like blue bear. My roommate in college actually made this for him along with this basket that I actually also have in the room, and I just loved it so much. It meant so much to me because you don't think that your college friends really care about, like, you know, you having kids, especially if they don't already have kids themselves. So I love this so much. Thank you so much, Sule. We still love this and we're still using it. I'm gonna use it till I can't use it anymore. Thank you so much. As soon as you walk into his room, we have his TV right here. Like, literally, he'll just sit in here and just chill out and just chill by himself and, you know, watch TV. So this is Preston's dresser. It is a changing table. We got this from Babies R Us when Babies R Us was open. R.I.P. to Babies R Us. But we got this from Babies R Us. We absolutely love this. He's had this since he was an infant, and now it's just a big boy changing table. Of course, he can't fit on this table anymore because he's so long. Now it has turned into more of his charging station. I have his iPad and his tablet set up here and charge with Mr. Elmo, keeping him company, and then we have Cookie Monster right here who holds the remotes. Okay, so that's how we keep track of the chargers, the iPads, the tablets, and the remotes, because they go with their keeper, Cookie Monster and Elmo, and it's all good. So I'm really such a stickler about the drawers. I need everything to go together so that I can find outfits easily. So all his white t-shirts go here, all his socks. We have some big boy underwear right here because we are potty training. So then we have his short sleeve t-shirts, more short sleeve t-shirts, his long sleeve shirts, and his pajamas. So that's how we do his drawers. Like, he's really a Sesame Street kid. Like, I didn't even do this on purpose. Like, and then he has two of the same shirt. Like, so then in his pants drawer we have pajamas right here, more pajamas, all his swimming trunks and stuff right here, and then we have shorts, more shorts, and all of his not winter, but his sweatpants and jeans and stuff are all lined up in the back because, you know, it's hot outside, so he's not really getting much use from them. Now we're moving on to one of my favorite parts of his room, which is his windowsill. I love his windowsill because when I was growing up, I had a windowsill, and I used to put, you know, all my doll babies, I would line them all up there and things like that. I just think it's so cute that his first room, he has a windowsill. So right here we have all of his diapers. I hate to have big diaper boxes with wipes and diapers and stuff all around the house. So this is his little box that he got for, actually we got it at his baby shower. I think my old roommate in college actually gave him this box with like filled with stuff, but you know, I emptied it out and I keep his diapers here, his wipes, some little like baby stuff, his lotion, and some Destin, and his little smell good lotion. This is his little box for when he gets out of the shower. And moving along, we have more Elmo. This is the beginning of his reading corner. He actually really does like to sit and read. Even though he can't read, he likes to sit there and like turn the pages and look at the books and stuff. This little Elmo right here he got for Christmas, and it like dances.
Are you ready to move and groove with Elmo? La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world.
He loves that. And this is our potty time book. We love potty time. Like all parents, we are doing so much to get him on the potty, and it's difficult, but we're getting there. This is something that I got from Etsy. I actually had this for his birthday party that was on his sweets table. The theme of his party was Preston Street. So we had the street sign, we had shirts, everything said Preston Street. So I thought, you know, since we're doing the Sesame Street room, let's just move the sign with us. And so under his windowsill starts his learning corner. So right here we have a desk, a bookshelf full of books, and a little upholstered little Elmo chair. He loves his reading corner, like loves it. So I look so big in here, but this is the learning corner. So this bookshelf I got from Amazon. It's filled with books, probably too many books, but until we move, this is where the books just have to go for now. And he has these little compartments right here that we put blocks in, Legos, and both of these. We have a little VTech tablet that goes in here, as well as his headphones and flashcards, stuff like that. Just things that like don't really have a place. We can always find a place for them on the bookshelf, which is very, very helpful. We have trucks and all kinds of things like that. And these are actually really, really easy for him to learn how to clean up, because we do cleanup time, and he knows when cleanup time comes, the blocks, the cars, everything goes in these bins, and it's accessible for him to where he can put away his own things. With this little Elmo upholstered chair, I got this on Amazon, and this is also a Christmas gift. Both of these were Christmas gifts for him. This right here is his Elmo desk. It has numbers right here that I try to get him to trace these numbers with like an expo marker, just so that he learns how to write his numbers out. So I really like this because he can use like a dry erase marker on it without it being stained. And this also has a little bin down here, which is right now I have some swimmies in there. That's what the side of it looks like. This is also something that I got from Amazon. Like, how cute is this? Like, I love the kid furniture. So this area right here is Preston's bed. This crib is actually also from Babies R Us. The crib and the dresser came in a set. We got them for our baby shower. So luckily we were able to find some Sesame Street decor. That's just a little animal that he has that he sleeps with at night. So we found a whole crib set that was Sesame Street themed. So that really worked out for us. And this backdrop right here was actually the backdrop for his sweets table at his birthday party, well, his first birthday party. And lucky me, I could use it for his room, because these backdrops are so expensive, and I just hate to pay all this money for these backdrops and then never use them again. So now we are on to the closets. So as you guys can see, his closet still has a lot of winter stuff in it. All his coats and sweaters and short sleeve shirts, collar shirts, some Halloween costumes are even back here. All of his shoes are lined up here. Up here is just some letters that I glued together. I need to paint these. I just haven't gotten around to taking them down and doing it yet. Down here we have his toy chest. There's just a bunch of stuff in there. And right here is a box of Legos. That thing is full of Legos. I don't know who bought him that for his birthday, but thanks so much, because it's Legos in there for until he's like 40, literally. He has a small little piano up here that when he wants to play, we just take that down and you know he could play his piano. And then over here, this is it's like a soccer basketball net type thing, but he's like really way too big for that now. So now he has a big, huge basketball court that's downstairs in my living room. Here on the wall next to his closet is just a green letter P. It's kind of random, but his name is Preston. And I painted this for his old room because his old room was jungle theme, and it was like kind of this like light green color and brown. So yeah, I just kept this in the room because, you know, it was cute. So that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed Preston's room tour. It took me some time to get it together in here, but for a first time mom, I think that I did pretty good. I don't know, you guys let me know. If you guys like this room, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys were asking me on my last video and in my DMs about this hair. Yes, this is my hair collection. It's not out yet, but it's coming very, very soon. So you guys will be the first to know on my YouTube channel when my hair is being released, which it will be this year. So just stay tuned for that. And until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.